Hey, what's up? My name is Manny Vargas. I own and operate EpicSurfTours.com, and I wanted to reach out to you just to let you know a couple things. One, all I'm doing is capturing those epic moments that we have with our friends and family out in the surf and on the beach. And what I wanted to talk to you about today is I just passed my FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot's License Exam. What does that mean? I can take to the air. I now can offer those surfing images and surfing videos from the sky. Yes, I want to get some drone footage of you, your Groms, or whatever. So it's there. Check out EpicSurfTours.com and check out some of the clips I got just the other day from my really good friend Nels Velocito and his two little Groms. Check it out. All right, so there you have it. Go to EpicSurfTours.com and let's get some memories. Let's lock them in. Talk to you soon. Hope to have you.